Okay, so what in the world am I doing? Well, I'll tell you. On that side of the driveway over there, I went ahead and laid in a little strip of gravel. That way, if I overshoot the driveway a little bit, I'm driving on gravel and not on my planted areas. Just basically adding a little gravel, which has some drainage to it on either side of the driveway. Give me a little buffer zone. Also makes a nice place where you can walk after you step out of the car or truck or whatever. And I'm making it 18 inches wide. So I'm just marking off that 18 inches here. Because, yeah, I don't think I'll have it come up any further than right about here. Right about here will be just fine. Or maybe right about here. Edge, 18 inches in. Put a stick in it. There we go. Edge. Okay. Alright, so this does a couple things for me. One, it goes ahead and marks out that space where my my little French drain is going to go here. Essentially, that's what I'm going to be building, is a French drain to go off of the driveway. But it also lets me know how much room I have to mulch over here on this side. And of course, to get the job done, we're going to use my good old friend, baling twine. Now I've taken care of some basic surveying, I can now proceed to lay sheet mulch down anywhere in between these two lines, and I know that I'm not over on the neighbor's property, and I'm not going to interfere with my future project, which is going to be putting that little French drain along the driveway here. Wetting your cardboard down before you get started, even soaking it in a barrel, will help keep it from getting blown around by the wind as you lay it out. It'll also make it more flexible and easier to mold around things like trees if you need to mold it around trees. But it dries out really quickly, so you'll have to periodically come back and spray it again. To keep it moist. Start throwing the mulch down on top. That'll hold the cardboard in place. A heck of a lot better than just keeping it damp will. So this first layer of mulch I'm putting down is just really to keep the cardboard from blowing around. Come back and thicken it up here in a bit. Tell you what, windy day is a horrible day to do a project like this. Just say that right from the beginning. Yeah. Every stray gust trying to undo all your work. Like that. Phrase again. My wife orders an awful lot of stuff online, which means we have an awful lot of cardboard. Cardboard I'm using now I've saved up over the course of the winter. Basically, everything she bought over the course of the winter went to provide the cardboard that I'm using right now. She's been griping at me for months about cleaning up the mess because I've got all this cardboard stacked up. I keep on telling her, honey, if you didn't keep on ordering all this stuff online, we wouldn't have all this cardboard. Well, of course, you know, you don't have to have a spouse who's a compulsive online shopper in order to get a good supply of cardboard. Nope. You can quite easily walk into just about any retail establishment and ask to see the manager. When you get to see the manager, flash him your biggest, friendliest smile and ask him if he could have some of their junk cardboard. And believe me, they're going to have a lot of junk cardboard, especially places that sell large appliances and furniture. They'll have big pieces of cardboard.